It's not magic. This is a real little science experiment. Put a magnet in a plastic cup. Add a tablespoon of salt. Pour warm water. Plastic cups with only a cropped top. Put the light bulb on and it magically lit up. Wind the copper wire around the screws. It is then connected to the positive and negative terminals of the battery. You made the electromagnet. That's how the crane works. Squeeze the lemon juice into a bowl. The expired toothpaste is then squeezed in. Stir well and pour into a glass jar. Add a few drops of pigment. Add the baking soda. You can show your child the spectacle of a volcano erupting. Trim a piece of plastic to look like a leaf. Then put some free toothpaste on the tail. Put him in the water and he runs like a motorboat. Place the two balloons in hot and cold water so you can feel what is hot expansion and cold contraction. Throw a burning match into the cup. The balloon will lift the cup. Insert the copper and zinc rods separately into the potatoes. Connect wires to form a loop. You can supply electricity to the electronic watch. This is a potato fuel cell. Place a lighted candlestick on the water. Put the cup over it and press it down. A candle burns in water.